Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford F-150 glove box. It's a simple process, but knowing the correct steps ensures smooth operation. First, locate the latch or handle, usually found on the top right side of the glove box door. Gently pull this latch towards you. You'll feel a slight click as the mechanism disengages, allowing the door to swing open downwards. It's designed for easy access to your important documents and small items. Many Ford F-150 glove boxes include a lock for added security. If yours is locked, simply insert your vehicle's ignition key into the small keyhole on the latch. Turn the key approximately 1/4 turn clockwise. You'll hear a soft click, indicating it's unlocked. Then, pull the latch as usual, and the glove box will open, providing secure storage for your valuables. Sometimes, a glove box might feel a bit stuck. First, ensure no items inside are jamming the door. If it's still resistant, try applying gentle, even pressure to the latch while simultaneously pulling it. Avoid excessive force, which could cause damage. Also, quickly check the hinges and the door's edges for any visible obstructions or signs of misalignment that might be preventing it from opening freely. To keep your glove box functioning perfectly, a little maintenance goes a long way. Avoid overfilling it, as too much clutter can impede its closing and opening. Regularly wipe down the interior and exterior surfaces with a soft cloth to prevent dirt buildup. For the latch mechanism, a tiny amount of silicone spray applied once every 6 months can ensure smooth operation and prevent sticking, extending its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.